Good day all. Today I will guide you how to get green token. This is the charity based token which is environmental friendly. The main purpose of this green token is 6% of transaction fees is donated to the green space. You can see all the details in the greentoken.cc official website. In here you can see the roadmap, and also in here you can see the roadmap. This is the initial page, and they launched the token in the PancakeSwap, so anyone can buy. So distribution of 83% of green supply via its fair launch on PancakeSwap. It is launched on today, so you can in the future it is listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. This price will be 100x in near future. So I will guide you how to buy using the PancakeSwap. In here you can select the smart contract. After that all the details of the coin will be displayed. In here you can copy the contract address to take it token via the PancakeSwap. In here you can see that already it is launched, and investors are investing in this token. So I will display you the PooCoin graph. It is now 128,086 price. In here it is launched today. You can see in here I will switch to the 1 minute chart. In here you can see it is launched 5 minutes earlier. I am doing this video after 5 minutes after the token launch. In here you can copy the contract address from the BSC scan and move to the Trust Wallet. After go to the Trust Wallet and go to the DApps, and in the search for the PancakeSwap. In the PancakeSwap you can see paste the contract address which is copied from the BSC scan of green token. After that you can see I already bought the green token earlier before 5 minutes it is launched. So you can enter the amount of BNB you want to buy and make sure slippage tolerance is 1. After that click the transaction and confirm the transaction. So I have not enough balance because I already bought it. After that go to the Trust Wallet and paste the contract address and enable the green token. After that you can see in here I bought this amount of green token earlier. This will be surely 100x in near future. Please hold, like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future profitable videos. Thank you.